Hey, amazing mamas, and welcome. If you're starting your breast pumping journey, it can feel like a whole new world. But don't worry, you are not alone and you've got this. Today, we're going to walk you through how to use a breast pump and how to feed your baby that precious liquid gold. Before you do anything, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Make sure all your pump parts are clean and completely dry. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can relax. And don't forget a glass of water for you. Hydration is key for a good milk supply. Place the breast shields, also called flanges, over your breasts. They should form a comfortable seal around your nipple. Start your pump on a low suction setting to trigger your letdown, which is when the milk starts to flow. After a minute or two, you can increase the suction to a level that feels strong, but never painful. A typical pumping session lasts about 15 to 20 minutes. Pro tip: looking at a photo or video of your baby can really help your milk flow. Once you're finished, carefully pour the milk into a sterilized storage bag or bottle. This is so important. Always label the container with the date and the time you pumped it. This helps you use the oldest milk first. You've worked hard for this milk, so let's store it safely. When your baby is hungry, it's time to warm the milk. The safest way is to place the sealed bottle in a bowl of warm water, or use an electric bottle warmer. Never use a microwave, as it can destroy the milk's nutrients and create dangerous hotspots. Before feeding, swirl the bottle gently to mix the fat back in, and test a few drops on your wrist to make sure it's lukewarm, not hot. This is the best part. To feed your baby, hold them in a semi-upright position. We recommend paced bottle feeding. This means holding the bottle more horizontally, just enough so the nipple is filled with milk. This allows your baby to control the flow, just like at the breast, and prevents them from drinking too fast. Use this time to connect, make eye contact, and enjoy this beautiful bonding moment. As soon as you're done with the bottle and your pump, rinse all the parts that came into contact with milk. Later, wash everything in hot soapy water with a dedicated brush. Let all the parts air dry completely on a clean towel. Keeping your equipment clean is the #1 way to keep your baby healthy. And that's it. Mama, you are doing an incredible job. Remember to be patient with yourself and your body. Every single drop is a gift. Your pumping journey is your own, and you are a superstar. For more tips and support, don't forget to subscribe. You've got this.